Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. Do you know something about Pinterest trends or how to use Pinterest trends for your Redbubble business or print-on-demand business in general? Thus, in this video, I'd like to show you how to use Pinterest trends to get more traffic, to get more sales. Therefore, we can turn as much as possible from Pinterest trends as new ideas or new opportunities to create new designs. Then we can promote our products on Pinterest to make the best of these trends. And now let's go together to Pinterest to figure out how to use Pinterest trends to our Redbubble business. Let's go. And here on Pinterest, how to reach Pinterest trends. Simply go to this one, analytics, and you'll find trends. Click over that. And here we land on Pinterest trends, And as a first glance, you'll find here the most searched terms and items people are searching for on Pinterest. Like this one, 3 times increase in searches for trendy dorm room ideas, Or this one, increase in searches for graduation party ideas. Here, as I said before, you can turn any Pinterest trend into a new idea or a new opportunity to make the best of, to create new designs, So we can take this niche or this idea, graduation party. So you can make new ideas in the graduation niche, So you can create those designs in Photoshop, Canva, Vistaprint, or something like that. Or you can get ready designs from platforms like Creative Fabrica or Creative Market and so on, So we can take the benefit of this one, graduation party or graduation ideas, Searches for patio lights string ideas, fried corn on the cob, fried corn. So we can make designs about fried corn, And as I said before, we can make these designs and you can get all these clip arts from platforms like Creative Fabrica, Canva, Vistaprint, and so on, And here you will find the most trending searches, Then we can go down a little bit and there you'll find surgeon trends on Pinterest this week, like forearm tattoos, summer nails, seductive bedroom, book art, tattoos, medium lengths, and so on. Go down and here we can discover trending ideas across our most popular categories. Like for fashion, we can find modern flower girl dress, flower dress. We can turn this trend into a new idea, new opening for new designs and more products, Flower dress, person inspo face, pang strengths, summer outfits. So we can make the best of this trend to make summer designs. And for sure, I have talked about in a previous video how to find summer niches and summer sub niches. You'll find this video below in the first comment. Short hair 2022, Latina women aesthetic, croquet aesthetic outfits. So we can search for these such designs in Google Images to find out how they look like. So we can type here croquet aesthetic, design, for example, as you see. So we can get inspired from all these pictures and these designs and create our designs, as you see. Perfect. Go back to Pinterest, coquette outfits, and for food and drinks, beauty, home decor, travel, and so on. Perfect. And now we have known all certain trends on this week, And now we can go to this search bar, and here we can select our country like United States, England, and so on, And here we can discover what people are looking for. And so we can insert here a keyword like t-shirt, for example, And here we'll find some popular search terms like t-shirt, t-shirt design, t-shirt dress outfit, t-shirt cotton ideas, t-shirt outfit, and here you will find the peak of the search term. So we can select this one, for example, t-shirt. This keyword has some fluctuations up and down, Okay, as you see here, and the highest peak is about 100. Okay, and you will find here related trends like t-shirt design, t-shirt, and here you will find the popular pins regarding your keyword t-shirt. Okay, so here you can get inspired by all these pins to create your designs, like I woke up like this, lost, vintage designs, some kind niches, hello sunshine for summer niches and sub niches. So that gives us a new idea of summer niche to focus on, like this one, sunflower, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we can try another one, like sticker, and here we can try this one, stickers or printable stickers. And here you will find the most popular pins regarding your keyword or your stickers, as you see. Something about summer, like mango, avocado, sunshine, pineapples, as you see. Some summer vibes, butterflies, okay, sea and ocean waves, cat niche, and so on and so forth, as you see. Okay, so we can try another one like printable stickers, for example. Okay, you can just remove stickers only, and here you will find activating keyword, and here you will find a lot of stickers like for summer season, some vintage, okay, some school and graduation, and so on and so forth, as you will see. Okay, well, now let's try another item like leggings, for example. So we have to remove this one first and insert here leggings. If you know what's the most popular legging designs that work well currently on Pinterest, so we have to select one of these related keywords like leggings outfit casual or leggings outfit summer. So click over that. Okay, and the same to the previous ones, we have to look at related trends. Okay, and the most popular pins related your keyword, related your leggings, as you see. Therefore, you can use Pinterest trends to open up new ideas, new chances to create new designs and to promote your products well on Pinterest. Therefore, you can take the benefit of this huge exposure and this trend to get more traffic and get more sales in Goodwilling. And to know how to promote your products professionally on Pinterest, you'll find the full course below in the first comment. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.